How to download and install Google Chrome in your laptop or any computer. So to install Google Chrome in your PC or laptop, you need to open your default browser, which is Microsoft Edge. So you can click on the start icon and then open Microsoft Edge. If you're unable to find it, then just type EDGE Edge and you will find Microsoft Edge. And at the top, just type google.com and hit enter. So the Google home page will appear, and here you need to type Google Chrome space download. Once you have typed Google space Chrome space download, hit enter, and you will find Google Chrome web browser. So we need to click on this Google Chrome web browser, google.com, not go to the Play, just click on Google Chrome web browser, and then you will find download Chrome, and you can check or uncheck help Google Chrome better by automatically sending usage statistics. So if you wish, you can check that or uncheck it. It is up to you. And then you just need to click on download Chrome. The moment you do that, Chrome setup will be downloaded, and you just need to double click on that once it is downloaded and click next few times, and you will have an icon on your desktop like this, Google Chrome, and whenever you will just do a double click on that, Google Chrome will open in your laptop. So this is how you can download Google Chrome or install Google Chrome in your PC or laptop. Please subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.